Tip number 2, swim underwater. There are 3 exercises you can do to improve your motor skills underwater. Swimming completely underwater is an excellent exercise to optimize your swimming technique. You'll understand why once you try it yourself. If you don't move forward, try kicking faster. Practicing your underwater dolphin kicks is an excellent way to improve your coordination, hypoxic capacity, and core strength. Even if you don't use this technique on a race, you should practice the movement, first on dry land and then underwater. Hold your breath and swim a few strokes. It doesn't matter if they're 3 or 9 swimming strokes, or 3 butterfly strokes and then you stop. What matters is that you take away the breathing component for a moment and feel how your swimming is more efficient when you don't breathe. The challenge then becomes to try to breathe without influencing your technique so much. To do that, you have to break the patterns of your normal routine. That is why we recommend learning to breathe to both sides and breathing every 3 strokes. For butterfly, it would be good to breathe every 2 or 3 strokes. You'll be able to watch tip number 3 here when we publish it. Here's the winner of the last giveaway. To participate in a chance to win our freestyle program containing 100 workouts, you just have to share this video on your swim team chat, take a screenshot, and send it to us via email or WhatsApp to this number. And if you want to learn more about this program, click here. See you there. Swim fast.